This soft, tri-fold cover is tailored for late-model Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 trucks with the shorter bed, giving a snug, low-profile fit that looks factory-installed. The vinyl surface feels thick and marine-grade, and the underlying aluminum structure gives the cover a solid, long-lasting feel when opening, closing, or driving at highway speed. Pre-installed support bars keep the cover from sagging and let it fold forward quickly, so you can open up the bed for taller cargo without removing the whole unit. Once the side clamps are set, day-to-day use is simple, and the cover opens and secures in seconds, which makes it practical for frequent hauling or daily commuting. The design helps keep rain, snow, and dust out of the bed, protecting tools and gear while also smoothing airflow over the truck for a slight aerodynamic benefit. Materials and hardware feel robust enough for regular work use, and the manufacturer backs the cover with a long-term warranty that adds peace of mind.